Hello. Welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD and many more. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for the coming week from 15th March to 19th March. So this analysis is for 15th from 15th to 19th March only. Okay, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Okay, so we can see that unlike my other videos, I have drawn many lines. Okay, this video is for the whole week. That's why I have drawn 7 lines. Okay, please do not mind. Okay, so okay, we can see that right now market is in downtrend. So at first I'll be considering the possibility if market goes down, then what do we need to do? Okay, so if right now market is in this position, okay, and market has closed at 1.1949. What is the last traded price? So if market comes down and hits this particular point, okay, this particular point means this is this first support 1.1836. Okay, if market comes down to this particular point, we just need to see how the price reacts. If we see that there is some huge selling pressure on the market, okay, then you can short the market here. Okay, just make sure that you wait for at least 1 hour or 2 hours. Just let the price be comfortable below the price level, below this support level. And when market will be trading below this support level, then this support will become the resistance. Okay, so you need to wait for some time. So if you have already taken a position, okay, and if you have already in a sell position, then your target will be this particular point. Support one is your target one. Okay, so in just wait and watch. If market slips from here, okay, then you just carry on with your trade. Then your second target will be this support 2. Okay, support 2. And if you see that from support 2, okay, market is bouncing back, that's a different chapter. And on the other hand, if you see that the selling pressure is still very high, okay, and market has crossed the support 2 means this 1.1747. Okay, this is your support 2. Then if market crosses this level also, then your ultimate target will be this level, and this level is a support 3. You can see on the screen support 3 1.1620. So okay, this is the ultimate support available for the market for the coming week. Okay, so in case there is a heavy selling pressure, okay, then then market will get some support at 1.1836, support 1, and in case market breaks the support, then the second support is at 1.1747. In case that support also collapses, okay, because this second support is not that strong, okay, the the probability of uh, not providing or not giving support is much higher, because there is a chance, but the support is not that strong, unlike the support 3. Okay, support 3 is good enough. Okay, this is the ultimate support. So in case market comes down to the support 3 level due to heavy selling pressure, then there is a chance that market may bounce up from here. So the support 3 is 1.1620. Okay, so in case market bounces from here, let me take the pencil. Okay, in case market bounces from here, okay, after reaching the support 1, that means this level. In case market bounces from here, then your first target will be, so let's consider that you have spotted some good price rejection from below, good bullish candle here, and you have taken a buy position. Okay, easily you can go for a buy position if you see some good reversal sign. You can go for a buy here. If you buy here, then this will be your first target. Okay, the first target means resistance 1.1988. Let me change the color to green. And if you see the price is struggling here in this resistance, first resistance, then you can come out of it. And on in case you see that the selling pressure is too high, and if market crosses this level, okay, then be on the trade. Okay, then your second target will be resistance 2, 1.2111. This level is your second target. And you can, if you see some struggle, price struggle, then you can come out of it. And on the other hand, if you see the market has crossed this level also, okay, in case market crosses this level, then just again be on the trade, enjoy the profit. Okay, this is your third target. Okay, this is your target 3. From here, market may face some, or market will get some resistance. If market reverses from here, from the target 3, that means the resistance 3, then you can come out of from the trade. And this is your ultimate target 4. If market crosses this level also, okay, then you can come out of the trade at 1.23519. So in case you enter above this level, okay, in case you enter above this level, then this will be your first target. If you see that it has crossed this level beautifully with comfortably, then you can go for this target. Okay, so these are the levels that you can that you need to watch. Okay, see, it depends on strategy to strategy. I basically trade from levels to levels. That's why I'm just sharing my analysis. Okay, because whenever I take a trade, suppose I take a trade here, or I take a trade here, suppose if I buy here, then my target will be this level. Okay, I'll just observe how the price reacts in this level. If I see that price is struggling, okay, I'll come out of it. Okay, and if I see that okay, the buying pressure is still very high, then I'll continue the trade, and then I'll look for this target. Okay, so you just need to do the same thing only. If you buy here, okay, if you buy on any level, just wait for the price to go to the next level. After reaching the next level, just observe how the price is reacting. If you see that price is struggling, come out. If you see that the, the pressure is good enough, continue with the trade, and then switch your target to the next level, this level, and this level. And on the other hand, if you short the market, okay, this is your target 1. Okay, or sorry, if you short the market here, or if you have already taken a sell position, this is your first target. If the selling pressure is still you see that selling pressure is still good enough, you can go for this target. If it breaks the level, go for this target. Okay, so these are the levels for Euro USD for coming week, 15th to 19th March 2021. Hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See ya on Monday, and do not forget to subscribe.